Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. This is a short video where we're gonna go through the different options for reinforcement extract editing. Let's start by generating a big extract from all the bars in the drawing. For this, go to the bar schedule menu, select the simple AutoCAD type, and select all bars in drawing. Click on Create Table, and there you have it. You will have a whole list of all the bars in drawing. As you can see, you have different categories, which means you have bars belonging to different elements. For example, we have an element named beam 3, and these are the belonging bars for that element. Where you do not see any name, this means that these bars are unassigned. For assigning them, use the Element Assign button. Now that we have an extract, we can start modifying it. First, we have an option called Force Simple Line. For that, you have to select an extract, right-click, bar schedule, utility tables. And here you can find the Force Single Line command. Click on it and select one line. Spacebar. And now you can see the change. This single line just got converted back to the same width as the others. This is the default single line width. This one is double line. Now, can you do it in reverse? Yes, of course. We have another tool which does the exact opposite. Right-click, bar schedule, utility, force double line. Select it, and you can undo the change we did previously. So this is a single line, this is a double line, but we have a third option called quadruple line. I will show you what does it do. Let's go back to the utility and quadruple line. I will select this line, and after confirming the command, you can see that this line has exactly 4 times the width of a single line. So as you can see, this is very useful when we have a complex bar just like this one. If you increase the line width, you can see this pattern a lot more clearly. So this is how you can increase or decrease the width of these extract lines. But we have another useful tip. You may already know that you can break these tables by right-click and selecting the breaking table option. Selecting this, you can choose a single line and the table will get separated from that exact point. This is one way to break the table, but I have another solution for this problem. Let's go back to the previous form. Right, now this is unified again. When I select this table and ask the program to break it, I have another option called A4. I press the A button, press enter, and I select my table. And immediately the program breaks the table, the extract, into a height of an A4 paper format. So it's very useful when you want to place a long extract onto a paper which has the ISO standard formats. And there you have it. As I said, this is just a short reminder about what you can do with extracts. I hope you find this useful and thank you for watching.